of being on the YouTube, on Twitter. In fact, I am very proud to say, and Osama knows about it, that in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and probably in the entire government sector, the only Twitter conference that we had was on the community radio. And after that, there has not been any Twitter conference, at least in the ISB ministry. And when we did the Twitter conference, we had scheduled the conference to be only for a period of 1 hour. But you know, the questions kept on coming for another 2 hours, and people kept on saying, no, please continue. And then we could see so many queries people had about community radio. From basic fundamental queries, what is a community radio, what is the use of community radio, to people asked very, very important questions about the spectrum, about allocation of frequencies, about delay in the issue of licenses, isn't it? So there are so many areas where we can share our experiences, we can learn from each other. I can see there is a spectrum of community radio stations sitting in this room. People are here from Maharashtra, from UP, from Tamil Nadu, from Kerala, from Chandigarh. I think there are so many other states. I won't be able to take the names of all the states. So when you all sit together, you produce thousands of hours of programming, which also includes music, the local, and also includes clips about the local cultural heritage. There is so much you can upload, and so many videos if you upload, you can learn as to what is happening. Twitter में आप कर सकते हैं, Facebook में आप कर सकते हैं. I think it's a very, very good medium for this sector to get much more closer. Isn't it, Osama? It's basically to learn from each other, to find out how a small station in Shivapuri, what kind of music it is producing, what is the community, what kind of programs are happening. Also learn from each other as to what better can be done, what more can be done. So I'm extremely happy, and I would like to thank particularly Osama and his team. The idea is his. We caught up the idea. You remember some of you were there in his session in Vigyan Bhavan? Jahan se iski, no? So, it all started from that, and I'm very happy that one of the recommendations that we had in the last Sammelan, that we should be, we should know about social media. I'm happy that dream is getting realized, isn't it? That is becoming a reality. So 2 days that we are here, make the maximum use of it. I'll come again. I will come again. In fact, I would have loved to sit here when Osama is doing the mapping. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता अगर मैं यहाँ पर होती, लेकिन मुझे एक और प्रोग्राम में जाना है. मैं जा करके उसके बाद हम आपके पास फिर वापस आएंगे.